What's up, mi gente? So today I'm gonna be reviewing a brand called Wiskf, W-I-S-K-F, I think that's how you pronounce it. So I've never tried this brand before. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. They make this very cool tote bags. However, I don't know if it's gonna hold. I'm gonna take one of the bags to the supermarket. I'm gonna put some weight on it and see if it holds. So let's discover this brand together. Let's check it out. So if you're a sucker for old Hollywood, if you like Marilyn Monroe, I think you are going to enjoy this one. So I can tell you on all the stitching and everything else, it feels like it can hold a lot of weight. So actually I'm about to go to Aldi's in a few minutes. So I am actually going to take one of these. You can use it for groceries if you want to, but you don't have to do it for that. If you're going to the beach, I think that would be a great tote bag to carry with you. You can wear jeans with the t-shirt, and it's kind of funky, it's kind of cool. I like it, I like the color. It's very vivid. It's very well constructed. No complaints on that one. It's super cute, and also for a gift. Love it. So far, yay on the first one. Let me go open the second bag. Da-da-da. Oh, who doesn't like Snoopy? I grew up with Snoopy and...
Snoopy? Snoopy!
How cute is this? I love it! So this here we have Snoopy taking a nap, looking at the sky or something, which resembles Van Gogh, Vincent Van Gogh. How cute is that? I think this is just so hot. Okay, this is I think the one that I'm gonna be taking with me today to the market. You know what? This will be also good for like a stocking stuffer, but not like necessarily for Christmas per se. But if it's for like a birthday or something, you can have this bag, put a towel, sunglasses, something like that, and just give it as a gift for like summer. I think that would be kind of cool too. What do you think? Isn't that cute? So here is a cosmetic bag. And if you've been following me for a little bit on my channel, you know that I love cosmetics, I love beauty products too. I do beauty reviews and do my makeup and all of that cool stuff, which I haven't done that in a while, so I can wait to film another makeup video. Here it is, a makeup bag. Okay, it says for Pride Month. Yay, go Pride. Look how cute. I always look at the zipper to make sure that's good, and you can see doesn't get stuck. Good zipper, good quality on that one. Esa cosita aquí. How do you call that? I can actually use it to put my keys, lip balm, or to put just little accessories along with one of this in here, and I think that'll be cute. I love a crossbody. This one feels like butter. It looks expensive. You know when you get a bag and it looks like a designer type of inspired bag? It looks like you got on a very high-end store and pay a lot of money for it. Look at this detail in here on the zipper. I think that's really, really cool. It feels really soft, like moldable. It doesn't feel too plasticky. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So quality, it feels good. Zipper closes great, so I can tell you, good quality. In the inside, it has another little zipper so you can do a pocket change. So if you're traveling, put it like that and you can have quick access to your keys, to your phone, and then you don't have, you know, like that insecurity someone is gonna reach to your bag. I mean, you can do that too, and it's kind of nice. But if you're walking in the city, I'm afraid someone is gonna open my bag, so I usually like to just carry it kind of like that. I know that there's a designer that designs very similar to this. I'm gonna be honest with you, when you look on the website, okay, it's cute and everything, but now that I have it on my hands, I like it better. And the reason why is that this one's online, they look like it'll be a little bit smaller, but in person, I mean, it feels like this one's like can fit a lot of stuff, so it's pretty big. They're not too small, yet they're not that big either. So I think it's just the perfect size. They're not too wide, which is awesome. So when you wear this, people might be like, oh, I like your bag, it's very cute, where you get it? That's the type of thing that I like to have, things that they're not like everywhere. You guys, that tote bag, those tote bags are $5.99. I mean, they can charge way more money for that. $5.99, that's not a bad price at all. I think it's just very, very reasonable price, and they have so many cute ones. So imagine that, like one of each for all the bridesmaids, one of those tote bags. That would be a cool idea just to add if you're getting married or for a baby shower it would be cute too, like with the initials of the baby. I mean, I think it's just super cool. They have this abstract painting, I love that one. I mean, they have tons of options. Oh, they have aprons, I had no idea. So they have aprons, they have a zipped tote bag as well, which is kind of neat. Oh, they have you see they have a bigger cosmetic bag. How cute is that? Very affordable, very unique, very cutesy, very artsy for what you pay for, and the 5% off. I mean, not bad at all. So I'm glad I was able to try it. Okay, now I'm ready to go shopping. Now I don't know which one I wanna take. Let's go to Aldi's with me. What about that? By the way, do you like Aldi's? I'm obsessed with that store lately. For what you pay for, like the eggs are a good price, the milk is a good price, the produce is a good price. So,
woo, girl, you know how to drive. Jesus, they don't believe on stop signs. We're not out there. I had the bag. I'm gonna put some groceries in here. Let's see how it holds. Now this is so cute that I'm gonna wear it, like I said before, for my laptop and my iPad. I do have some. Actually, this is for my groceries in here. It's just that it's not cute. It's just blah. That is cute. So you're gonna be styling when you're grocery shopping when you use that bag. This is cute. Come on, you know that is cute. I love this one. This is almost like the Atkins one, and I pay $7 for 5 bars. Atkins brand. Here's $3.99, and they taste literally almost the same. Good deal. Here's the proof. That bag held a whole gallon of milk, another half a gallon, the chips, these protein bars. I could have added more snacks if I wanted to, so it is very well constructed. I don't see any signs of ripping or anything like that, so it is a substantial bag, very good canvas bag, super cute again. For $5.99 you can go wrong. So Wiskf, thank you for actually sending me this product. Thank you. I love it. I'm gonna have a lot of use out of this bag, and if you're interested, go to the website, 5% off, and for $5.99 you can knock me. All right, see you on my next video. Bye.